Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how to use layers in Figma. Layers are essential for organizing and managing your design elements. Let's dive in and learn how to make the most out of layers in Figma. Layers are the backbone of your Figma designs, helping you keep elements organized and easy to manage. When you open a new file, you'll notice the Layers panel on the left side of your screen. So let's start by understanding the Layers panel. This panel shows a hierarchical view of all the elements in your design. Each layer represents an individual element or groups of elements. To create a new layer, simply add an element to your canvas. For example, let's add a rectangle. So as you can see, a new layer appears in the Layers panel. So double-click on the layer name to rename it. Naming your layers helps keep your design organized. For example, I'm going to type head. Now you can group multiple layers together to keep related elements organized. Select the layers you want to group. For example here, Control or press Control while selecting the layer, and then Control G or just right click and then select the group selection. As you can see here, the shortcut Control G. Once you click on that, as you can see, group layers are now formed and you can be renamed just like individual layers. Now layers in Figma can be nested within groups or frames, creating a hierarchy. This hierarchy helps you manage complex designs with ease. Simply drag and drop layers to nest them within groups or other layers. Now to prevent accidental changes, you can lock layers. Just have to click on the lock icon next to the layer name to lock it. Similarly, you can add layers by clicking the eye icon. So when you click on the eye icon right here, as you can see, this is useful when you want to focus on specific parts of your design. So rearranging layers is also very simple. So click and drag a layer up or down in the Layers panel to change its position. For example here, drag. And then you can drag it down. So as you can see, the order of layers determines how elements are stacked on the canvas. And the layers at the top of the panel are in front of layers at the bottom. Now, frames and groups are essential for keeping your layers organized. Frames act as containers for other elements and can be nested within each other. So use frames to define sections of your design, such as headers, footers, or content areas. Now to copy a layer, select the layer here, and then basically just have to use the shortcut, command shortcut, which is the Control C on your keyboard. Right? For example, Control C and then Control V to paste it. As you can see here, we have just created another layer. So you can also duplicate layers by pressing Control D, as you can see here. Now you can apply styles and effects to layers using the Properties panel on the right. For example, select a layer and explore options like Fill, Stroke, Effects, and more. For example, I'm going to use this stroke, add a color, and then add a stroke level. So as you can see here, applying consistent styles like this to the layers helps maintain a cohesive design. And that's it! You've learned how to use layers in Figma to organize and manage your design elements effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.